Efficient and reliable communication is the cornerstone of modern industrial production, especially in emergencies. Even in extreme environments, Fanvil's industrial audio and video IoT solution ensures the real-time transmission of critical information, optimizing processes, enhancing efficiency, and safeguarding operations. Fanvil's industrial audio and video IoT solution seamlessly integrates SIP door phone, IP intercom, SIP gateway, SIP speaker, IP camera, and IP phone into a unified communication platform. With easy deployment, functional integration, and cost-effectiveness, it is widely applicable to electronics manufacturing, new energy vehicles, semiconductors, heavy industries, and logistics, enabling industries to achieve efficient, intelligent, and secure operations. On-duty staff can contact production sites anytime using the console IP phone, covering offices, security patrols, production lines, and even parking lots and access control areas. Broadcasting solution further extends communication coverage, streamlines workflows, and minimizes production downtime. In a 24-hour factory workshop, where noise levels exceed 85 decibels, communication can be challenging. Fanvil intercoms, equipped with superior audio quality, advanced noise reduction, and high volume output.
Supervisor, urgent. Device 2 failure, need immediate assistance. Supervisor, urgent. Device 2 failure, need immediate assistance.
Ensure clear communication even in noisy environments, safeguarding production efficiency. In fire-prone areas like factory warehouses, dual-spectrum AI cameras precisely detect smoke and fire. Once an anomaly is detected, the system automatically triggers IP horns to issue alerts, ensuring a swift response from nearby personnel. Simultaneously, the system notifies the monitoring center, enabling security and management teams to coordinate precise on-site interventions, ensuring comprehensive warehouse safety. Fanvil video door phones provide security for critical areas, protecting both personnel and assets. Visitors can quickly connect with internal staff via remote video intercom, reducing waiting time and enhancing the user experience. Fanvil Face Recognition Door Phone enables seamless and efficient entry. Fanvil provides a comprehensive audio and video IoT solution for industrial applications, ensuring enhanced security across various scenarios. Visit Fanvil website to learn more.